Hey guys, Coach Nate here from Stage 4 Design, stage4designs.com. I want to talk to you today about one of my favorite things that we do here at Stage 4 Designs, both in our commercial applications and in our backyard courses, and that's our adjustable lache system, okay? This here is our proving ground or our prototype. We use this anytime we're developing new obstacles or anytime we want to test things to make sure for their durability they work. We built it out of a little bit of a lower quality than we normally would just because we beat it up so much. The stuff that we actually put into your homes, again, is that Baltic plywood, or if we're outside, we're using dimensional lumber. So I want to talk to you a little bit about how it works because we get a surprising amount of questions from either home buyers or homeowners who purchase a course and we get everything set up and they're like, cool, what are those, monkey bars? We're like, it's so much more. It has the potential to be so much more. So here's how this system sets up. You've got yourself a simple bar, okay? 1.25" or 1.66 outside diameter pipe. This is available at any of your big box hardware store. There's a reason why we do that, is so that we don't have to get involved if you want to ever add any more pipes or anything to it in the future. You can simply go out, get yourself one of these and it'll fit right in, okay? Now, we have notches that are across from each other, and the bar sets down right in between the notches like that. You've got yourself a ready-made attachment point if you're slinging from any of these things, or we call it an adjustable lache rig for a reason, is because you can move. Each of these are 1 foot increments, okay? But of note, we want to make sure that we talk about this. If I just drop a bar in like this, you'll notice that my instinct is to grab it overhand, underhand, right? Mixed grip. Why? Because this bar will spin. Okay? This is something to be very aware of, especially people who have backyard courses that their adjustable lache is maybe 8, 9 feet off the ground. You have younger kids, right? You just go think you're, weekend hero. You're like, hey, I got you some new bars, kids. This is gonna be great. Let's go out and throw some laches. And all of a sudden the kid comes in and wah, all the way back, okay? So here's why we do this for a reason. Take these bars like this. This is very important. We call these Omegas. They're made by Steel Tech. You can pick them up, I think, at any big box hardware store, namely Lowe's. These are going to slide on the end of the bar like this, okay? Now, the reason why we suggest putting these on is because it's going to arrest the spin of the bar. Now, you can notice, hear that? They're loose right now. So when I go to put this up here, okay, I'm going to set it right along the rail like that. Now, even still, they're loose, they're not attached. This can still spin inside there. Here's where you're gonna get yourself a 5/16 hex key wrench. 5/16 right there, okay? You're gonna come up here and we are going to spin these down until we get some tension. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna tighten it down so that Omega can't move. Okay, you can see here, we even use these in structural applications as well. These things are great. Slip fits, they are very, very helpful. Now, if you want to do yourself a big favor, get yourself a ratcheting attachment that is a little bit more upright. This classic hex key, can get a little cumbersome, but as we say around here, it's tried and true. Okay, now with that in, this thing is not spinning at all. So now I would trust it to lache to. Okay, now I can hang from it and I can move around. If you set those the proper distance, this lifts right out, drops, right back in on the next one. It's gonna pull the whole thing together and make it feel nice and structural and sturdy, okay? Remember, always use your Omegas if you're gonna be doing any kind of lacheing between these. And remember, there's no special tools or anything that are needed in order to just lift these out and move them. So if you have a course with an adjustable lache in it, go ahead and move those things around and watch your kids level up super fast.